Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. This episode is going to be about Diversity Fund. My name is Amit, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to know what you think about my content so far. And if you can, please subscribe, like, and share. If not, I totally understand. You just want the information and you don't want somebody else basically popping up on your YouTube channel. So totally understand. And still, I want to thank you because you are choosing valuable time to kind of do research regarding this video, and you're choosing to watch my content. So let's get started. Diversity Fund. What is this? I just like a lot of things that I discover. Apparently, I get a bunch of ads. I guess Google Ads have identified me as as investor. So everybody who wants to sell their things, especially that geared towards investing, they're all kind of showing me now. So I just discovered this about less than a month, so I would say 2-3 weeks. This is very new to me, Diversity Fund. I did do some digging around. They are a legitimate company. They have amazing reviews. This company does have, I think, some serious growth potential. They do have risk, so please do your own research and only invest the money that you have. And I am a guy on internet, right? You should never take an advice just solely purpose from internet, right? You should always do your research. Consider this as one of your research, but not just the only one. Okay, so here's their website, DiversyFund. They basically talk about path to financial freedom. This path to financial freedom is kind of is becoming my obsession in recent days for some odd reason. I think that's mainly has to do with because I'm sitting at home, this COVID-19, and working from home, and I'm realizing that as I'm having less and less human interaction, I am not wanting to do work, or at least don't want to work when I don't want to work. I only want to work, or I want to have option to work. Who do I choose to work and what I want to do, right? So I think most of you who's watching my channel, I think somewhat deep down that's your core belief, or at least you're early adopter or believer, or you don't even know it yet maybe, and you're trying to research yourself. So I think this is where you're going. I might be on that spectrum, right? I might be a little bit here, you might be here somewhere. Okay, so here's their company. The company was founded in belief, right, that everyone deserves access to same wealth building tool that have been long used by 1% to create, sustain generational wealth. So if you read any of the book, right, many people think that he who holds the land, right, or the gold basically has all of the power. In a way, it is true, because in our societies, if we really look at it, right, who is the one who's making the law, and who is it made for? Well, the people who are rich, right? Let's say Donald Trump, right? He's rich and he has power. Let's look at another person, Warren Buffett, right? Any of the laws that are made is not made for so that he can become broker. It's made so that he keeps his wealth and continues to keep his wealth. You can make your money more than one ways. They saying this is 1%er, but 1%er could be many ways. Many people make their monies differently. Look at Mark Zuckerberg or any of the IT tech billionaires today. Right, they made their money differently. Elon Musk, right, another example. So, but if you're not that genius person, right, happen to be stumble upon, how else do you make money? So that's kind of like has become my fashion, because I'm not rich, neither was I born in rich family. However, I do, because of my dad, I believe in working hard and working smart. and that's why I'm kind of trying to figure this whole situation out. All right, so this is their basically the selling point to us as an investor to create sustained generational wealth, right? Combining eccentric expertise, financial investment management, right? You can read the rest. Here's the something else that they're saying. So when you get your first thing you probably learn is investment. Put 30% in bond, 70% in stock. This concept was developed while back. I don't know when exactly, but I would say probably 50, 60 years old. That's at least the reference I could find. The bonds are supposed to basically give you a hedge against the market downtrend, and so what they're saying, why instead of putting it in bond, why don't you put it in real estate, like that 30%? Okay, I agree in a way, because I just bought a house and I'm leaning more towards it. However, buying a house and managing it is, or even that whole process, takes a lot of manpower, time and effort. So a lot of people, what they do nowadays is that you can buy a stock that deals with real estate, excuse me, I'm a bit tired too. Real estate or crowdfunded, these platforms, they do have some competitor, right? If you look at their competitor, like Fundrise, for example, is direct competition. Here, let's do some comparison. What DiversyFund doesn't have is any fees. Now, it's a company, they have to make money from someplace, otherwise why would they be in business, right? They have to make money. So how are they making money? They're making money basically a couple ways. One is by they actually buy the land, then they build it, then they manage it themselves. So they're paying management fees on those, but they don't charge you for like any other fees, which is like I would call like a management fees to kind of give you administrative fees or stuff. Whereas Fundrise, they do equity multiple. I have not used that. The main reason behind it, I have used these two, Fundrise and this one I'm just starting, is because of this $0 fee and the minimum for the account. Obviously, I don't want to put $5,000. Neither do I have I have $5,000, but I don't want to put $5,000. I would like to slowly kind of see how it is, and if something goes on, I can take out. So that's kind of why I'm doing that. And you can read more about it, right? What is crowdfunded real estate? Crowdfunded real estate is basically where people like you and I, who go on internet every day, right, and we have some money, we kind of give this bank, this company, kind of our money, like let's say $500 each, and they have a bunch of money, so that means crowdfunded, and they go ahead in turn buy the real estate, and then they are giving us some money, or they doing something in real estate with that money, and in turn we get return as an investor. That's the kind of whole idea. Okay, now let's get back. All right. The wealthiest have invested in real estate for a decade. Now it's your turn, right? Well, yes, that's true, because if you look at it in the history, right, a lot of them is the land. That concept was somebody worked on the land and you were the king, right? You had the peasant and then landlord and so on. So yes, they, it's ever since we kind of came out of this hunter-gatherer phase. I think that's what the humankind, as they settle in cities, that's what they did, right? There's no secret there. Okay, and the next thing I want to show you before I'm going to walk you through my account, look at their team, right? They have these two people. You can look it on their LinkedIn, right? Here's this person, Craig Cecilio. He's the CEO, founder of DiversyFund. He's been with the company since 2016. It's been 40 years for him. Okay, and the rest of them things you can read. All right, and so is Alan Lewis. I feel like when people have connections and they put information, right, they're a little bit more accountable. That's why I like LinkedIn. Very important. And here are the other people who are in their team, right? The next thing is you can look at their reviews. They have amazing reviews. Now these reviews are on their website, but you can actually Google this name, DiversyFund reviews, right here, and look at Google. They have 80 reviews. They do have 1-star reviews, but they at the same time they have 5-star. Now out of 80, yes, this has to be like, let's say if I were to get 30% just hater out there, and out of 30%, 70% like people who truly want to review this, and probably 50% of them, they just never they never review it for right purpose, and 50% they review it for right purpose. So you gotta read those very carefully, these, and then try to understand what were they complaining about, or what did they really like. But overall, 3.8 on average out of 80 reviews, pretty good. You can look at other reviews on other website, pretty decent. Like, I don't see any red flag. Everybody basically says like, hey, be careful, this is a new company, they don't have a lot of track record yet, but you know, anything with new, you have potential to basically make more money in long term. On this website, think of minimum 5 years before you want to withdraw your money. Okay, all right, so what else you want to know? You just simply sign up here. Sign up takes less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna log in for you guys, and here's my account, Amit. I could add Amit, me. I could add more money, auto invest in. I invested in there $500. I just got 27 cents on today, so August 15th today, 2020. So in a couple days, they gave me this 27 cents. This is dividend receive. Now they give you kind of two ways. They give you dividend, and they basically build the house and then they sell it, commercial, resale, whatever it is. Then appreciation, you also get that money in a way. So here's 27. So I'm not only getting actually they are giving me monthly too. So this is first month, so I will do a follow-up videos to show you that they are regularly paying me, right, and so on. As soon as they paid me, they went ahead and reinvested my dividend. I'm not sure if there's a setting that I can do to take out my money, but this is what they have. And looking around it, I don't see any ways to kind of take out my money in this. Okay, investment updates, account updates, I could do those. Let me see what's in account update. There's nothing. Okay, that's kind of very simple, nice and neat. And then you can read about everything regarding this company. I didn't find anything else so different than, let's say, Fundrise or any other platform, Realty Mobile, that those of you who might be using. Therefore, I don't want to get in any further detail unless you guys really want to. Therefore, please comment. If not, I'll try to make a follow-up video based on the assumption that I think. But yeah, I mean, it's good to see that I got 27 cents. I mean, I would have gotten more money if I would have put it in, let's say, saving account. But I'm fine. You know, I understand it's a different platform, and I want to make more different ways money as much as possible. So, you know, I hope you guys like this video, and you know, let me know what you think. Thank you.